Today we're going to look at 42-1, the area of triangles. So today we're going to find the area of triangles. Now traditionally, for us to be able to find the area of a triangle, the formula that we've used is 1/2 base times height. And we employed methods to be able to find what the base is or to find what the height is. However, sometimes it's necessary to calculate the area of a triangle given different information. And so this lesson, we're going to calculate the area of a triangle in these different formats. So the first is going to be angle side angle or angle angle side. Now the formula that you would use for this is going to be a squared sine b sine c over 2 sine a. Now this value right here is the given side. This is the angle opposite the given side. So notice there is this whole ABC thing going on. And so if this is going to be my given side and this is the angle opposite to that given side, when we start actually entering everything in, we just have to be careful with our notation. If I said that this is side B, well then this is going to be side B. Well then this forces it to be angle A and angle C. Or if I said that this is going to be, what if I said that this is side C? Well, this has to be angle C, which then turns that into sine B and sine A. So just things to kind of consider and think about as we're going through this. Then we're going to look at side, side, side. The only thing we have to do as a condition is we have to find S, because the area is going to be S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. And so we have to find this ratio S, which is just all three sides added together divided by 2. And then the last one, this is just a straightforward formula, side angle side, where my angle is included between the two sides. It's going to be 1/2 or 0.5 b times c sine A. Or should I say sine the given angle. So for this one right here, it says determine the area of the triangle. So I have to determine the case. This is going to be angle, angle, side. So I am going to use that formula. So I said I need to look at this and think of this as my given side. Well, my given side is here, which happens to be A. So my A is going to be 6. That means the angle opposite, which is this value here, that's going to be 36. And one of the other angles is going to be 117. So to find that missing angle B, 180 degrees minus the rest, and so I'm going to get 27. So that's going to be 27. So now plugging all this in there, now that I found everything, you just put parentheses around this, you plug this into your calculator, and you're going to get your answer, which is 12.4 feet squared. The next one, determine the case. It's going to be side, side, side. Therefore, I'm going to use this formula. Now remember, we said as a condition, I have to find what that S is first. So I'm going to add the sides together and divide by 2, and that's going to give me 8. So now I plug this into my calculator. And then I get 9.8 meters squared. The next one, determine the case, side angle side. Means you're going to use this formula here. So the given side, the given angle, and the 1/2. And so enter that into your calculator and you're going to get 43.9. Now in all of these, it might be a good idea to go back and verify it and try entering it in your calculator yourself so that you can compare and see, did I do this correctly? Now the last thing I just kind of want to emphasize though is, even though this is the different cases, let's just say you think, oh, the side, side, side version is the easiest. Well, technically, you can still use the law of sines and the law of cosines to find all three sides and then use that formula to be able to find the area of the triangle. So just know that that might be a method to help remember or to employ as you go through this, because it's a fairly easy formula to memorize. And so if you memorize the formula, just use the law of sines or cosines to find all the missing sides, and then use that area formula to calculate it. Might be easier, it's up to you. But this does conclude our lesson. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comments.